Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc and to another tutorial on this channel. Today, I'll be explaining how you can manage Telegram video downloads to watch videos without them automatically saving to your device. If you're frustrated with media and videos being downloaded in the background, or even if you don't like the way videos get downloaded through Telegram, then here I'm going to explain to you how it works. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device and navigate to Settings. You can find this by expanding the More Features or More Options menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or dots in the app interface. Tapping on Settings will take you to the menu where you can adjust various preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the Data and Storage section. This section controls how media is handled by the app, including downloads. Tap on Data and Storage to access these options. Once you're in the Data and Storage section, locate the Automatic Media Download settings. Here you will find several toggles that control whether photos, pictures, and videos are automatically downloaded when using Wi-Fi or cellular data. To prevent media from being downloaded automatically, turn off all these toggles. This ensures that media will not download in the background without your explicit permission, giving you more control over your device's storage. Now, you might be wondering about the process of actually watching a video without downloading it first. The truth is, it's physically impossible to watch a video without it being downloaded to your device in some form. No matter what platform you're on, the data for the video must be downloaded to play it. Telegram provides the option to either download the media immediately or wait until you decide to view it. For those looking to manage downloaded content more effectively, Telegram offers an option to automatically delete downloaded media after a specified period. In the Data and Storage section, you'll find the Keep Media option, which allows you to set a time frame for how long media remains on your device before being deleted. The shortest duration currently available is 3 days. While this might be longer than preferred for some users, it does help in managing your storage over time. For users who prefer even stricter controls, such as automatically deleting media upon closing the app, this feature is not yet available. Hopefully, Telegram will introduce an option to keep media until the app exits in future updates. This would provide the ultimate convenience for those who prefer not to store any media on their devices unnecessarily. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you guys later.